I'm here to actually discuss high school. I'm sure half of us on YouTube are in high school or junior high anyway, so I'm pretty sure you guys can all relate to this. I just wonder, like, why are we forced to take all of these higher level maths and social studies and science? Science is like, why? Like after a certain amount, after the basics, I feel like we should just be done. Like, after you learn to add, subtract, and multiply, and after you learn your basic grammar and your English, then what else is there to learn unless you want to get into a specific field and you want to learn a specific subject to help you in that field for the future. Like, unless you're trying to do that, you shouldn't be forced to learn anything that's at a higher level because it's basically wasting your time. Like, when am I going to use algebra? When am I going to just, walk down the street, go to the grocery store, and I'm trying to throw something away, like Luan Legacy said once. I'm trying to throw something away in a trash can. There's a trash can this far away from me and this far away from me on either side of me, and I don't know how long it will take me. Like, what's the distance between myself and each trash can on either side? So I have to create a graph to see how much time I could save by walking this far or this far. I have to create a distance formula. No, you don't have to do that. You don't have to do any of that stuff. It's ridiculous. Like, why must we learn? Like, I'm not gonna be talking to my friends and be like, yeah, my transverse plane and my sagittal plane. Like, nobody cares, unless I'm gonna be a doctor. I don't really need anatomy. Some of the stuff, yes, it's interesting, but I have a test to study for right now, and I'm wondering, like, why must I know all this stuff? Like, like, unless I'm trying to be if I'm trying to be a doctor, or I'm trying to have an occupation where I need to know things about the body in order to, be in that field or have that job, then I really, unless that's the case, why do I need it? I don't need it. We should be able, in high school, we should just be able to choose what courses we want to take after a certain point. Like, after the basics, we should just be able to choose. Like, I want to be a psychologist. I just want to take psychology classes, psychology 101, sociology. I want to take those classes, and English, so I can be able to talk to people and communicate. Or if I want to be a fashion designer, I can take, interior design or something along those lines. I shouldn't, like, if you want to be a fashion designer, what are you in calculus for? I mean, it's nice to know and to, like, enhance your mind, and to be able to get your brain thinking on a higher level, but you can do that with what you're trying to do. It's just so much. And I just felt the need to talk about it. Like, do you guys agree with me? Like, you get what I'm trying to say? Like, why do we have to learn all these things? It's not necessary. It's really not. The only thing necessary for you to take, only thing that should be necessary for you to take are the things that are required for your field of work that you're trying to get to. If that makes any sense. If anything that I said makes any sense at all, I hope you guys are watching this, and I hope I get some sort of feedback. Like, someone just tell me, like, what they think. Like, I know it's not going to change anything, but it's always good to talk about these kinds of things. And I've always just wanted to talk about it. Like high school's dumb. The way high school is ran, it's dumb. And what they require of you is dumb. And, you can graduate knowing nothing about what you're going to need to know for what you're going to be doing in the future. Like, I'm going to come out knowing how to do calculus, knowing anatomy, knowing all parts of the body. Awesome. I'm not going to remember it anyway, but I'm going to become a psychologist. Like, yeah, I'm a psychologist that knows calculus. Like, that doesn't do me any good at all. It just makes me like a well-rounded person, but nobody cares. We shouldn't have to do it. It's dumb. High school's stupid. And I question whoever came up with the whole system and how it's ran, because it makes no sense to me. So, any sort of feedback, like, what do you guys think about my opinion, or do you guys agree? Do you guys give me reasons why you think high school is ran this way? Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know.